Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a comparison between PushOwl and Klaviyo, two powerful tools in the realm of digital marketing. If you're new to Klaviyo, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, simply log in and let's dive right in. PushOwl and Klaviyo are both powerful marketing automation platforms, but they cater to different needs and offer distinct features. PushOwl is primarily focused on delivering web push notifications to enhance engagement with website visitors. Its key features include the ability to create targeted push notification campaigns, triggered notifications based on user behavior, A/B testing for optimizing message effectiveness, and detailed analytics and reporting to track performance. This platform is particularly well suited for businesses looking to re-engage visitors who may have left their site without completing a desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. By utilizing PushOwl's capabilities, companies can effectively increase conversions and maintain ongoing communication with their audience, driving better overall engagement and results. Klaviyo serves as a comprehensive platform for email marketing and customer relationship management. It is designed to facilitate the creation and automation of email campaigns, allowing businesses to effectively segment their audiences and personalize communications. In addition to email marketing, Klaviyo supports SMS marketing and integrates smoothly with popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify and Meta Ads. This functionality makes Klaviyo an excellent choice for businesses aiming to nurture their existing email lists, execute targeted marketing campaigns, and analyze customer behaviors to refine and enhance their overall marketing strategies. PushOwl is an excellent option for businesses looking to utilize web push notifications as a means to re-engage website visitors and boost conversions. This platform specializes in delivering timely notifications that can prompt users to return to the site and complete desired actions. Conversely, Klaviyo is better suited for those needing a comprehensive marketing automation solution that emphasizes email and SMS communication, particularly for businesses with a significant e-commerce focus. Ultimately, the best platform for your needs will depend on various factors, including your specific marketing objectives and budget. When making your decision, consider the importance of web push notifications in your strategy, your overall marketing goals, and the level of e-commerce integration that aligns with your business model. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.